It's over, it's done, it's time to move on. Welcome to YEA-FRAME. I'm Captain Pete. I'm here to help you build unique A-frames that others will envy. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon and you'll be all set. We've spent a lot of time together. But at this point, I need to move on. There's other tools. I need to spend time with other tools. There's chop saws, tile saws, there's screw guns, there's drywall knives, there's stilts, there's drywall lifts, there's multimeters. I need to spend time with other tools. So, I'm not sad to see you go. Sure, it was part of, you all were part of my dream. And you've done well. And some of you didn't even make it this far. Oh, you. The trenches we dug. Oh, you. Tamper. My shoulders will forever be sore because of you. Looks like you've seen better days. You know, 24-inch bar, Husqvarna, little pulling. You've all served your purpose, and I know if I need you in a pinch, you're gonna be there for me. It's been real, it's been fun, but I can't say digging trenches has been real fun. The amount of time, unbelievable. Regarding the progress, edge of the slab has been painted with Fasco epoxy. Sill plates are down, trusses are being built, and private videos for customers will be made demonstrating such. If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you think it would be beneficial to family and friends, consider sharing it. To find out more about YEA-FRAME, click on the link in the description below. And remember, build safely.